Hello, this is Tambiota, coming at you with another third-party Transformers review. This time I have TFC Toys Uranos F-4 Phantom. You can check out the box. We have a portrait of Phantom right here on the front. You come around on the side. You have a full diagram of him on the side. And on the back, you have his three forms. Him in robot mode, his aircraft mode, and then his limb mode and combiner form. And if you look around the side, you can see a wireframe depiction of him in robot mode. And then on the top, you can see a wireframe version of him in his jet mode. And then also on the bottom, but in red. Alright, now let's get him open and check him out. Alright, and here we have F-4 Phantom out of the box and in his jet mode. First of all, we'll just take a look at all the sides, the front, and the back. Go ahead and look at the top, and then the undercarriage. A lot of people say that this right here is an homage to the original character Fireflight. I don't really see it. I don't know what the IV at the end is for, but you can kind of see it. If you look at the jet mode, you notice that he has his landing gears. You can raise and lower them. As you can see, I have these landing gears folded up. It's basically because when you put them out, when you fold them out and you put them on the table, he ends up scraping on his missiles right here. I don't know if you can, let me see if I can line this up, but he ends up scraping on the missiles and totally misses his landing gear. The cockpit does open. Alright, let's go ahead and get into transformation. Go ahead and fold up these landing gear and remove the either missile pods, or these could be, they don't look big enough to be fuel tanks, but we'll remove those to the side. There's a little tab right in here. I don't know if you can see it, but to pop that down. Alright, see it right there. So I'm going to do that on both sides. I find it easier just to go ahead and remove the wings. So go ahead and remove the wings. Take the tail fin, raise that up, and then split these two parts apart. And then we'll go ahead and extend the legs. So you just want to grab and pull until you hear a really good click. And go ahead and split the legs. Lift up the knee pads. Rotate the feet around. Alright, and now time for the arms. What you want to do with the arms is just fold that part up and then flip this out. And do it for both sides. Just flip out the hand. And then drop the shoulders down. Transformation shows that these little wingtips are supposed to be pointed up. Don't really like those, so I tend to point them down and try to hide them. And then with this part, you just go like that, fold it back, and then the tail section you can take and fold it up, unplug that, fold it into there, and then you can snap these two parts together. Alright, now just rotate the head. His feet are very, you have to get him just right so that he can stand up sometimes. Go ahead and fiddle with his feet a little bit. He still doesn't want to stand up. Check this leg. I don't think it's extended all the way. No, looks like it's extended. Yeah, there it goes. Gosh. Alright. Now, with the wings, you can just take the wings and trying to remember what side they go. Just take them, fold them up, put them on the legs. Still doesn't want to stand up. Stand up. As you can see, he's a little back heavy. Okay. Put the wing on. Alright. And then this guns, there's a couple ways you can do it. You can put one in each fist, kind of like that. You can do over and under like that. Or you can also just kind of put them on the side of his hands. I usually like to put them on his side of his arms like that. Now for this movement, he has a ball jointed neck. His arms raise up and down. Rotate at the shoulders. Rotate at the elbow. There's also a kind of rotation up here. His hands don't rotate, but they do kind of go like that. And then he has his legs, his forward and backwards, sideways motion, rotation at the top of the thigh, and he has knee joints, and then kind of feet articulation, just right around here, can't twist. Alright, and that's my review of F-4 Phantom. This is Tambiota. I'll see you next time.